move an email or a message to a folder on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo, this is the home page. Now choose the message or the email that you want to move. Okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. All what you have to do is click on it, keep clicking like this, click on move, and here you will find your folders. As you can see, I have this folder, it's called test. Now click on the folder and now it's moved to my folder. Let's try it again. For example, this one, click on it, click move, and go down, click on your folder. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.